Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, dominates space with its immense presence. This gas giant, visible even from Earth, is over 11 times wider than our planet. Swirling clouds, powerful storms, and vibrant bands of color define its turbulent atmosphere. As we approach visually, its massive scale becomes overwhelming. Jupiter's gravitational pull influences nearby celestial bodies, shaping the solar system. This opening journey reveals not just a planet, but a colossal world of motion, energy, and mystery beyond imagination. From a distance, Jupiter appears calm, yet closer views reveal a chaotic world of storms and motion. Its colorful bands are formed by fast-moving winds, reaching speeds over 600 kilometers per hour. These bands separate zones of rising and sinking gases, creating dramatic visual patterns. The planet spins rapidly, completing one rotation in just under 10 hours. This fast rotation flattens its shape slightly. As the camera shifts perspectives, Jupiter transforms from a distant giant into a dynamic, living system of powerful atmospheric activity. Jupiter's immense size defines its dominance in the solar system. With a diameter of about 143,000 kilometers, it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside. Its mass is over twice that of all other planets combined. As we compare visually, Earth appears tiny beside it. Despite being mostly gas, Jupiter's gravity is extremely strong, pulling objects and influencing asteroid paths. This scale comparison reveals why Jupiter acts as a cosmic shield, protecting inner planets from space debris and maintaining balance within the solar system structure. Jupiter's scale becomes even more astonishing when compared across the solar system. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of 778 million kilometers, far beyond Earth. Despite this distance, its massive presence dominates gravitational interactions. Its immense size compresses gases inward, increasing internal pressure. Visually, when placed beside smaller planets, Jupiter appears like a giant among dwarfs. This perspective highlights its role as a central force, shaping orbital paths and maintaining dynamic balance throughout the solar system with unmatched gravitational influence. Jupiter formed around 4.5 billion years ago during the early stages of the solar system. It began as a massive cloud of gas and dust, gradually pulling more material through gravity. As it grew, it became a gas giant, lacking a solid surface. Heat from its formation still radiates outward today. Visualizing this process reveals a turbulent birth, with swirling gases collapsing into a massive sphere. Jupiter's early formation allowed it to capture surrounding material, influencing the development of nearby planets and shaping the solar system's evolution. Unlike rocky planets, Jupiter has no solid surface beneath its thick atmosphere. Instead, layers of hydrogen and helium transition from gas to liquid under extreme pressure. As we dive deeper visually, the environment becomes denser and hotter, reaching thousands of degrees. At its core, scientists believe a dense, possibly rocky center exists. This layered structure creates a unique internal world, unlike anything on Earth. Jupiter's composition reveals how gas giants function, with extreme pressure and heat shaping its internal structure in powerful and complex ways. Jupiter's atmosphere is a vast ocean of gases, primarily hydrogen and helium, layered with colorful clouds of ammonia and other compounds. As the camera moves closer, swirling bands stretch across the planet, driven by powerful jet streams. These layers create dramatic visual contrasts, with light zones and dark belts constantly shifting. The upper atmosphere appears calm from afar, yet beneath lies intense turbulence. This dynamic system demonstrates how energy and motion interact, forming one of the most complex and visually striking atmospheres in the solar system. Among Jupiter's storms, the Great Red Spot stands as the most iconic feature. This enormous storm has raged for over 300 years, large enough to swallow Earth whole. As the view zooms in, swirling Al-Ahmar clouds rotate violently, driven by powerful winds. Its color shifts between red and orange, hinting at complex chemical reactions. Unlike storms on Earth, This system never weakens significantly. The Great Red Spot reveals Jupiter's extreme weather, where storms grow massive and persist for centuries in a relentless, ever-changing atmosphere. Jupiter is surrounded by a complex system of moons, with over 90 confirmed satellites orbiting the giant planet. The four largest, known as the Galilean moons, include Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each moon presents a unique world, from volcanic activity on Io to icy oceans beneath Europa's surface. As the camera moves across them, diversity becomes clear. These moons are not just companions, but entire worlds. Their interactions with Jupiter's gravity create a dynamic system filled with motion, energy, and scientific fascination. Beyond its massive presence and moons, Jupiter also possesses a faint ring system, often overlooked compared to Saturn's. These rings are made of tiny dust particles, likely created by impacts on its smaller moons. As the camera reveals them, they appear thin and subtle, glowing faintly in reflected sunlight. Unlike bright, icy rings, Jupiter's rings are dark and diffuse. This delicate structure adds another layer to its complexity, showing that even the largest planet holds fragile features within its powerful gravitational domain. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system, extending millions of kilometers into space. This powerful field traps charged particles, creating intense radiation belts around the planet. As visualized, glowing auroras form near its poles, far brighter than those on Earth. These auroras are fueled by interactions between the magnetic field and solar wind. However, this radiation environment is extremely dangerous, capable of damaging spacecraft. Jupiter's magnetosphere reveals a powerful invisible force shaping its surrounding space environment continuously. Human exploration of Jupiter has revealed its secrets through advanced space missions. Spacecraft like Juno orbit the planet, capturing detailed data about its atmosphere, gravity, and magnetic field. Earlier missions, including Galileo, provided the first close observations of its moons. As the camera follows these spacecraft, we see their journey through intense radiation and powerful gravity. Each mission expands our understanding, turning distant mystery into scientific knowledge. Jupiter continues to challenge technology, pushing the limits of exploration in one of the harshest environments ever studied. Despite its massive size and powerful atmosphere, Jupiter cannot support life as we know it. Its extreme pressure, lack of solid surface, and intense radiation make survival impossible. However, some of its moons, especially Europa, may hold hidden oceans beneath icy crusts. As we explore visually, the possibility of microbial life shifts from Jupiter itself to its surrounding worlds. This idea expands our understanding of habitability, suggesting that life may exist not on the giant planet, but within its mysterious and diverse moons. Jupiter stands as a colossal guardian of the solar system, shaping orbits and protecting inner planets from dangerous debris. Its immense gravity, powerful storms, and complex system of moons make it a world of endless fascination. As we conclude this journey, Jupiter reminds us of the scale and diversity of our universe. From violent storms to hidden oceans on distant moons, it continues to inspire exploration. The story of Jupiter is far from complete, as future missions may uncover even deeper secrets waiting in the darkness.